Yo, what's up guys, this is Manny and welcome to an unboxing of the Gamakay MK61 wired mechanical keyboard. Now, this is a 60% keyboard which comes in white and black, and for myself I've gone for the black version. The MK61 was recently released on Banggood by Gamakay, who are well established in the mechanical keyboard franchise. The price of the keyboard comes around 40 Great British pounds and around 50 American dollars. Moving on to the unboxing, we are displayed with the brand logo and overall a nice premium looking box for the keyboard itself. Opening up the box, we are greeted with the MK61 keyboard, a manual, a keycap puller, a Type-C USB interface, a switch puller and other optical switches. Due to the keyboard's hot swappable capability, you are able to hot swap with other optical switches such as optical yellow, green, red, brown and blue. This gives you the ability to get a feel of other optical switches without having to buy another keyboard. Unlike many keyboards, the MK61 comes with PBT double shot pudding keycaps, which allows the RGB to really shine through. Unlike ABS keycaps, the PBT keycaps that come with the MK61 give you a more durable and smoother feel to the touch, and due to it being double shot, the legends will not fade over time. The MK61 comes with 13 different RGB modes, which are controlled by the function key. I'll have the different combinations that will allow you to alter the RGB modes listed in the description. Personally, for my use, the keyboard has been very comfortable, as the keyboard has an inclined design in which the keycaps start off high from the top and gradually decline. This eliminates the need for a kickstand, so instead there are 4 rubber feet behind the keyboard which keeps the board sturdy. If you guys are interested with this keyboard, you can use the referral link in the description, which will give you 10% off your order through the Banggood app and will also support me. Thank you so much for watching the video, and now I will end the video with some typing sounds.